draw 2 circles. If it goes too quickly, tap the screen once to pause. If you like it, tap the screen twice to like. Draw a line between the middle of those circles and draw a third circle. A little triangle coming off the bottom of that circle will be the nose. These 3 lines from the edges of the circles. A little U shape for the tail. Let's finish off the legs, just some more straight lines. Follow the outside of the leg all the way up. This little C shape is going to be a foot, and all the way up the other side. Let's carry that line around the back. It's like an M. Okay, finishing off the other front foot. And a small line for the stomach. The ears are round, and use your guidelines to complete the nose and a mouth. The eyes are just circles, and so is the nose. I'm going to do some shading around the mouth now, into the neck and ears. Shade the legs so they appear darker and heavier. Your shading is going to be lighter on the top of the body. Let's say this mama bear is looking for a cub. Draw an N shape and another curved line with a circle. A little U for the nose and 2 small ears. Follow the outline all the way around. And a small eye. You can color that cub in now too. If you got value from this content, please do follow, like, comment, and share for more art tips and tutorials.